I've got a management background, nothing in cars, nothing at all. And for me, it is absolutely crucial, the knowledge, the help, the understanding and the time that everyone from head office to peer group to other franchises give me is absolutely outstanding. It gave me a lot of confidence, it put me at ease, and it gave me that knowledge and know-how to drive a business here, and secondly, the opportunity to grow it. So that was very encouraging. The more support I get and the more help I get, the better we perform, and I definitely believe we get that on a daily basis all the time. There is no possibility, not 1% chance that I could be in the position I'm in today without the support mechanism, the support groups, and overall the teams from South England up to the north of Scotland. Without them, I would never be in this position today. Not a possibility.